Hi there, so we're on day 19 and we can see we've got some very glittery paper on this one. I actually bought some paper like this once and well, it's actually still upstairs in my bedroom and I've had it for about 7 or 8 years now, and it's bright pink with this beautiful, incredibly glittery paper. And I tried to use it once but I couldn't get the sellotape to stick to it, so it's just been sat there ever since. Anyway. Oh, it's one of those papers that isn't going to tear. So you may just have to bear with for a second. There we go. How pretty is that paper? Amazing. Ooh. So we've gone back for some bright colours here with the contrasting grey. That's amazing. So we've got one, I think that was like a denim-y blue base with these neon colours, and this time we've got this amazing grey. So it's almost like a stormy rain cloud with a beautiful rainbow through it. So it's absolutely beautiful. So we've got gorgeous blues down the end here, and then purples. That green is so vivid, it's amazing. And then through to the yellows, oranges, and then finally the hot pinks down the other end. So definitely a rainbow on a rainy day, this one. It's absolutely beautiful. There we go. Let me see if I can find there's one that was done slightly similar but with the blue, denim-y blue base. So this is the one with the denim-y blue, which is absolutely beautiful. And then you've got this with the pale grey. So two very different yarns, but would be beautiful together as well. So that is it for 19. We have got 5 more to go, so I will see you soon. Bye for now.